A, B, C. Always be cleansing. You want to always be cleansing within your diet, and this is to give you super energy. So what a lot of people don't realize is that you eat throughout your life, and if you're not always cleansing, you're going to have buildup. Now here's my analogy for this. Let's say I give you $10 million and I say go and build a home, and you go and you build a home. And then when you go and you move in, I give you the best organic seeds of all of your favorite foods that you can have an organic garden. You can grow your own food. Now you go out to your garden, and before you plant the seeds, you look and you go, wait a minute, there's all these weeds, there's all the builders left all of their junk before they left the place. How intelligent would it be for you to plant organic seeds, amazing organic food, on top of garbage? Doesn't make sense. So it's one thing to learn about superfoods, it's one thing to learn about how these foods will give you energy, vitality, and health. But if you're putting them in your body and you're not absorbing the nutrients, guess what, folks? You're wasting your money. So the first step, the most important thing to do, is the cleanse. After we've cleansed out, basically pressure washed your insides, and we've got the little cilia ready to absorb the nutrients, then we can feed you amazing superfoods. After that, you're going to thrive. Before that, you're just surviving. That's it.